What if I told you you could start making affiliate income while you sleep without touching a single line of code? Kind of sounds cool, right? Well, better pinch yourself because today we're unveiling affiliate marketing's best kept secret: Durable AI. Website builders like Durable CEO, 10Web, or Wix ADI that integrate seamlessly with platforms like WordPress. Now, before you say, hold on, isn't affiliate marketing complicated? Well, let me stop you right there. It wasn't easy until our AI buddy stepped into the scene. Durable AI tools aren't just smart, they're genius. And they can turn your idea into a profitable, beautiful website faster than your pizza delivery guy. Imagine this: you pick a niche like eco friendly dog accessories, because who doesn't love dogs in the planet? Plug it into an AI powered website builder, and bam, you've got a professional SEO optimized website ready to fill with affiliate links in minutes, not weeks. And here's the kicker: these durable AI builders don't just set your site up, they practically run themselves. They're like your tireless intern working around the clock without asking for coffee breaks. They handle content creation, updates, and even analytics. All you have to do is sprinkle your fit links, sit back, and watch the commissions roll in. Plus, with plugins like Elementor AI Assistant or Bertha AI for WordPress, managing your site becomes even more effortless. If you want some examples, let's break it down. Durable CEO will build you an entire site in under a minute. Seriously, grab your stopwatch. 10Web uses AI to optimize your WordPress website, dramatically boosting your site's speed and SEO ranking. And Wix ADI, it practically reads your mind, creating fully customized website based solely on your business type and preference. But wait, does this work well? Picture this: you wake up, check your dashboard, and there it is: passive income earned overnight from sales made while you were dreaming. And I don't know what you were dreaming, surfing with dolphins maybe, or whatever you were dreaming about. The AI does the heavy lifting and you get paid and everyone's happy, especially your wallet. True story. Just last week I created a niche website about organic coffee because yes, I'm fueled by caffeine. I had a polished site within hours with product links and engaging content thanks to AI, and guess what? Sales started trickling in before I finished my second cup of morning coffee. And if that's not the definition of easy money, I don't know what is. And the best part, you don't need technical experience. No coding, no headaches, no late night YouTube tutorials. This is affiliate marketing made easy, sustainable, and fun. So you ready to build your passive income empire with durable AI website builders? Smash that subscribe button and hit that bell because we're just starting. Drop a comment below if you're excited to try this and tell me what niche you're thinking of tracking first. Until next time, keep earning smart. This is Scott. Peace and progress.